It's easy to gawp at beautiful aquarium case builds, and it's easy to marvel at a teeny tiny ITX system with high-end hardware. The only thing easier than that is your mum. And speaking of which, I'm looking to bring sexy back to my place, but this time with a twist. Micro ATX, the neglected case size, runt of the litter, spat upon and disrespected, well, not anymore. Time to crack on with a build.
I was bleeding, nothing to believe in, leaving all my pressure and mistakes. Wanted better, nothing to remember, so I'm freeing up my brain. Take me flying, bring me the horizon, float above the world that I'll erase. Wipe it clean and feed me dopamine, 'cause I don't wanna feel my face. 'Cause I need love, breathing in the heat of rolling to the beat. I want it in my chest.
'Cause I dance better when I'm high.
Oh mama, that's a cleaner builder. The aim of this PC was to be subtle and classy, and I think we pulled it off. Very minimal RGB on the cooler pump head for some subtle accenting but not going over the top. Deepcool have had a bit of a resurgence over the past couple of years, and they're really hitting their stride in this ultra clean minimalist style. I'm really impressed with how they've got on in 2023. And we've got another video coming soon with an even sweeter Deepcool product, so subscribe to see that one. But back to the CH370 case. It has this little toggle on the bottom which changes the air vent shape, which is kind of neat. It's just the right size for this build, and it is accommodating this 3-fan Asus ProArt 4060 rather nicely. And when it comes to that, My god, I love this design. The Pro Art series is understated and classy, which is brilliant in a sea of over-the-top RGB graphics cards. I got this in at £265, which I think is pretty fair for a high-end model. Now the Ryzen 7600, that's a reliable workhorse CPU, and it's going to get you into the early AM5 platform with good upgradability. We've got some of the best all-round RAM out there. We've got the 6000 MHz CL30A data Lancer. It's the best balance of price to performance right now, at least in the UK. The motherboard was the only disappointment in this build. The board itself is actually great, but the price really isn't. So Micro ATX is normally supposed to be cheaper than your full ATX builds, but unfortunately MATX boards, they're just out of fashion. So fewer manufacturers are making them, and that's going to lead to the higher prices. So after all this, is it worth building a Micro ATX system in 2024? And for now, I'm going to say no. Time was, Micro ATX systems were a great way to keep costs down, but now that advantage seems to have actually dissolved entirely. I can't see any benefit, really, with the prices being what they are. You can get compact MIDI tower ATX cases now, which aren't actually much bigger than most of the Micro ATX cases out there. But what do you think? Am I going mental? Tell me in the comments, and join me next time, where we'll be using the most amazing air cooler that I've ever seen. But until then, I'll catch you.